In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books step by step. A lot of people search for a direct Proforma invoice option inside Zoho Books, but what many users don't realize is that Zoho actually generates Proforma invoices through the Estimates module. So if you're running a business, managing students, clients, or customers, and you want to send a preliminary bill before delivering a service or product, this method is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a professional Proforma invoice in just a few clicks inside Zoho Books. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials that save you time and make your workflow easier. Now, let's jump right into Zoho Books and get started. First, open Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you're inside the Zoho Books dashboard, look toward the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. This menu contains all the important modules, like sales, purchases, items, and reports. Since a Proforma invoice is related to a potential sale, we'll be working inside the Sales section. Go ahead and click on Sales in the left sidebar. After clicking Sales, you'll see several options, such as Customers, Invoices, Sales Orders, and Estimates. The key thing to remember is that Zoho Books treats a Proforma invoice as an estimate. That means the estimate you create can act as a Proforma invoice that you send to a customer before the final invoice is generated. Next, click on Estimates from the list. This will open the Estimates module, where all your previously created estimates will appear. If this is your first time creating one, the list might be empty, and that's completely fine. To create a new Proforma invoice, look for the button that says Plus New near the top of the page and click it. This will open the estimate creation form where you can enter all the details for your Proforma invoice. Now, let's start filling in the information. The first field you'll see is Customer Name. Click on the drop-down and select the customer or student you want to send the Proforma invoice to. If the customer is not yet in your system, you can quickly add a new contact directly from this section. After selecting the customer, move to the Estimate Number field. In many businesses, this estimate number effectively becomes the Proforma invoice number. Zoho Books usually generates this number automatically, but you can edit it if your organization uses a specific numbering format for Proforma invoices. Next, scroll down to the Item Detail section. This is where you'll add the services or products you're billing for. Click on the Item field and select an existing product or service from your inventory list, or create a new one if needed. After selecting the item, enter the quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the totals for you. If your Proforma invoice includes multiple services or products, simply add additional line items and continue entering the details. You can also review other fields, such as the estimate date, expiry date, notes, and terms and conditions. Many businesses use the Notes section to clarify that this document is a Proforma invoice or a preliminary bill provided before the actual invoice is issued. Adding these details helps avoid confusion for your customer and keeps your documentation professional. Once everything looks correct, review the total amount and confirm that all the details are accurate. When you're ready, click the Save and Send button. Zoho Books will save the estimate and immediately give you the option to email it to your customer. The customer will receive the document just like a professional Proforma invoice, showing the services, pricing, and total amount expected. And that's it. You've successfully created a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books using the Estimates module. This method is widely used because it allows you to send a preliminary billing document before delivering the final product or service, while still keeping everything organized inside your accounting system. If this video helped you understand how to create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.